Welcome to the Weekly Roundup Report here at Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we're at the Woodstock location. Let's go see what's going on. Lacey, what are you working on this morning?
We just got done with an oil change on this Mazda. Got a new cabin filter, new engine filter. It's going to get rear shock, transmission service, brake flush, and an alignment check.
Awesome. Maintain your vehicles. John, what are you working on today?
Well, today we have this customer dropped off this 2014 Jaguar XF. Says customer states check engine lights on, and I need to pass emissions. So we've already pulled the codes and did a preliminary assessment, and we're going to do some testing and see if we can get the guy to pass emissions.
We've been working on this 2016 Jeep Compass. We actually did a headlight restoration yesterday, and we're just letting it sit and dry, and then it'll be good to go for the customer. Thanks for joining us today at the Town Lake location. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to comment, like, and follow.